Have fun. Yep.
1, 2, 3, tornadoes!
Alright.
Go tornadoes!
That was early release.
Not having to go to school
Is always awesome. Did you have fun playing?
Go, go, Ichiro. Go, go to the goal. Go to the goal.
Come on, hustle.
Come on, Jonah.
Go to that. Don't get in the shot.
Nice.
Spencer, run up to
Quickly.
Now look, outside. Outside. Look in.
Get open, Jay, get open.
Give it a kick. Give it a kick. Big kick. There you go. Come on, Spencer. Grab it.
Get open, Jay.
Big kick. Hard as you can. Good.
Get back,
Come on,
Jay.
Jonah, your defense.
Get back, Jay.
Jonah, that's your ball.
This is bad.
Play hard, Ichiro. Go to it. Good.
Go, go, go.
Hey, fight for that.
Kick it out. Kick it out.
Watch another team.
Behind you, Jay. Behind you. Behind you.
I've already had a goal.
Go, go, Ichiro. Go. Get that. Dribble down. Dribble down.
The pass to Jay. Go, go, go.
Shoot it.
Jay.
Shoot it. Nice, Ichiro. Go.
Jay, get in front of the goal.
Shoot it.
Make it. Come on,
Goal, Jay.
Nice. Come on, Jay.
So,
Jonah, kick it up.
practices in the morning before school.
We're saying that he does.
Kick it hard. Kick it hard. There you go. Go, Jay. Come on, Jay. Get that.
You get it, Jay.
Take it down, Jay.
Nice. Go. Come on, Jay.
Come on, Jay.
Fight for it. Pass it up. Pass it up.
Actually, Stephanie, probably film me. You should probably just touch base on it.
Oh, nice. Nice. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go, Ichiro. Go, 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 go. Jay, get up by the goal.
Here, go.
Go, Jay. You got that. Come on, Ichiro. Nice. Good job.
I saw it last year.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's Jay over there. And
Get that, Ichiro.
Hey, guys.
Come on, Jay. You got it.
Show me your hustle
my
today,
older
okay?
son,
You
his
do
older
that, guys?
brother right there.
I just call you Ichiro.
This seed is
Yeah, he's in 4th grade. Right.
Good throw, Jonah.
Do you have your ball?
Good job.
And my water.
Okay.
Get that, Ichiro. Go, 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 go. Get in front of the goal, Jay. Get in front of the goal.
Jay. Good.
Go back, Jay.
Good job, Jonah.
No,
Behind you. Don't let him get it.
it bounced off. Oh, come on. Go, Jay. Get that, Jonah.
Oh.
And then after that.
Wait, how are you going to play?
Henry, those are some sweet new boots you got.
So, show me your hustle, guys, okay?
What?
Okay, so you either want to pass it to someone or you want to shoot, okay? Touch someone first.
No, someone's right in front of me.
Oh, almost. Nice try, nice try.
Go get it, Jay.
Get back, get back, get back. Defense. Nice. Kick it hard, Spencer. Kick it hard.
Good.
There you go.
Go.
Go, Jay. Go, 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 go.
Get up there. Get up there, Ichiro.
Oh, nice try, nice try.
Okay, Colby. Be strong, Colby. Shoot, Colby. Wait for the ball.
Offense, okay?
There it is. Get it, Colby. That's yours, Colby. Get it right in front of it, Colby.
But you and Henry were running around.
My choice.
Nice.
Oh, you got to slide over to his side there. There you go. Good. Don't let the... Oh,
Go, 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 go. Come on, Nate. You got that. Go, Nate. Come on, Nate.
Take the other side of him.
These people are pretty hard.
What the my ears?
Get it, Cole, pick it out. so easy. We're not hustling. We are hustling. See, and these two keep on getting the ball because we're just keep.
Come on, Amari.
Get up there, Nate. Nate, get up there. Help, Nate.
Good job. Good hustle, Mark.
Right. Get to that, Colby.
Get up there, bud.
You did it. People keep back.
Pick one.
Which school? No, this is the second one when you were on the corner.
Nate, who are you guarding?
You know, this is basically just it's like a...
Go. Come on, Nate. Dribble up.
It's a good
Get it, Nate.
Good job, Nate.
Don't let him behind you, Colby. Don't let him. Nate, Nate. Step up. Step up. Amari, stay at number 10. Nate, step up.
You almost scored it, Marino.
Nate.
He's like this. Oh, when you
Amari, you stay with 8.
Amari. Yeah, Amari was just standing next to
Come on, Amari. Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball, Amari. Go. Go after it. Go after it.
Be ready. There you go.
Good job, Nate.
Save it.
Amari, get in front of the goal.
Win it. There you go. Quickly. Good throw.
Go, 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 Amari. Get that, Amari. Nice. Shoot it. Nice try.
We have to
Make a good pass. Don't just kick it. Take Colby.
I know why we're not third place. We're in third place. He's trying to.
Get the ball, Amari. Come on. Go get the ball.
Okay, now you guys move away.
Move away. There you go. Shoot it.
That was good.
Keep hustling, Nate.
Good, Colby. Forward, right forward, okay? Go in a minute here, okay?
Nice, Colby.
Got time, Colby. Good.
There you go.
Come on,
Get it. Get that, Amari.
There you go.
Nate, look behind you. Not all 3 of you on one.
Go, 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 go.
Not all 3 of you on one guy. Come on, step to that, you guys.
Fight for it, guys. Go, Nate. Go, go, go.
Nate, hard.
Run hard. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Come on, Nate.
Amari, get in front of the goal.
Anticipate. Anticipate. Go to the ball, Mari.
Get that.
Oh my God.
Come on, run hard.
Nice job, Jay.
Go, 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 go. Shoot it. Nice.
So listen, guys. You guys are leaving people open. So, okay, you don't all need to go to the ball, all right? You need to talk and go hard, all right?
Come on, Jonah. Get the ball. Get the ball, guys. Go after the ball.
That's you, Jonah. Good. Come on, Ichiro. Come on, Ichiro. Fight for that. Fight for that, Ichiro.
Okay, Jay, pretty good.
Come on, Jay.
Hey, just stop and look.
Wait, have they scored once?
I need someone on here to help him now.
Jay.
Come on, there's
Go.
yeah.
It's 3-2. Well, good.
Hey, go help Jay to the ball.
Good today.
Shot.
True score.
Throw it in quickly, quickly. Run up the field. Do it again. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Go, 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 Jonah.
No, I think it's just reminding him. No, I think it's just reminding him that he needs to focus while he's there because he's made it. That's what I tell him.
Go, Ichiro.
And he does okay.
Nice. Come on, Jonah. Oh,
Okay, Jay.
get back on defense.
Take it, Spencer.
Good job, Spencer.
Take the throw.
Nice.
Get back, Jay.
Get that ball, Jonah. Get the ball.
Get ready, Jay. Get ready.
We pumped it up last round. Jay, your defense. You got to kind of drop back. Good job, Spencer.
Get it out, kick it out, kick it out. There you go. Go, Ichiro, get that ball, get that ball.
Oh, good hustle.
Come on, Jonah, get that. There you go. Jonah, get in front of the goal. Ichiro, Jonah's in front of the goal.
There you go, Jonah. Come on.
Get around and get the ball, guys.
One of you guys.
Go after the ball, get the ball. Go.
Go, Ichiro.
Go, Ichiro, go.
Hard. Hard.
Get the ball, Ichiro.
You're gonna play defense.
It just happened. Yeah.
You played right last time, so you're gonna play
Run up, guys, run up.
forward. You're gonna play right forward. So right is on this side. Left.
Come on, shoot that. Follow it up.
Hustle, Jay. Hustle, Jay. Man,
Somebody on you.
good job. Great job.
There you go. Come on, Jonah.
Jonah. Jonah, come on.
What do you want me to take it out?
Get the ball, guys. Go, Jonah, get it.
Good job, Jay. Be ready, Jonah. Come on. Stand on your
Come on,
back.
Jay.
Stop.
There you go. Pass it up to Jonah.
One of you. Who's gonna go to that goal, guys? Sub. Go.
I don't want to give you a high five.
Okay, Jonah.
Come on, Amari.
I want you to be a little bit more aggressive out.
But I know
Right out.
it.
Nate, your defense, get back. Nate, get back to help.
Kick it up, kick it up. There you go.
Come on, Colby.
Come on, Colby, run after it.
Bum, bum, bum.
Nate.
I want it to be like for sure I'm gonna be back.
Go, Colby.
Spread out, Amari.
Amari, you're left. You need to get away. Amari, there you go. Good. Talk, you guys. You're on the same team. Don't be afraid. Okay, now get back a little bit, Nate.
You got it. There you
Come on, Amari. You got that. Go, 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 go. Come on, Colby. Amari, stay by the goal. Stay by the goal, Amari.
I feel like I was gonna
Oh, nice try, nice try.
It's not Nate. It's not Colby. It's not Nate.
Come on, Nate.
Outside, Nate. Just keep it outside, Nate. Not to the middle, Nate. Outside.
Dude, it just fell off.
Nice, Spencer.
We only have 6 people.
We have 7.
That's it.
Spencer is in goal.
Oh, Spencer's in goal. That's kiddo.
Kick it out. There you go.
It used to be Jonah. Yeah, you used to be. Yeah. But in this game, yeah, you were a little bit low.
Come on, Amari.
And then you came. We thought you were not going to be here. No, I thought we were supposed to be here at 5:30. I know, my mom stopped. But he told us.
Nice.
Nate, don't go. Nate, your defense. Why are you in front of Colby? Slide back a little. Oh, Spencer.
Go, Murray!
Come on, Amari. Nice.
Get open.
This is like here, no. Here,
There it is.
probably
It's all right.
50 yards,
Good.
Nice.
Look here.
Go, Amari. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Come on, Colby. That's you, Colby.
Let's go, Colby.
Go, Colby.
Come on.
Okay, Nate, quick.
Quick.
Amari, I want you to get way, away. There you go. Towards the goal, Amari. Whoa. Amari, spread
Come
out.
on, Colby.
Spread out, Amari.
Oh, he's going.
Amari, I want you over there. Get away, Amari.
Coach Mecca, you gotta say position.
Spencer's on fire.
Wow.
Are you guys watching Spencer? What was that?
Leave the goal.
Spencer is doing an awesome job. I want you guys to watch how he's playing, okay?
Come on, Colby. Amari, get in front of the goal.
Okay, Nate. Okay, right forward.
Yeah, boy.
What did I just tell him?
Come on, Amari, get that. Pass it back to the center.
Jay, you're on this
Nice,
side.
Colby. Come on, shoot it.
Wait, I'm on this side.
Go again. Go again.
Oh yeah, I'm on this
What did I just tell you? What side are you on? What side are you on?
side.
Let him know, Colby. Run, Nate. Nate, run. Where are you going, Nate?
Oh, nice.
Good job, Nate.
He finally scored.
Good, Colby.
Let's go, Colby. Amari, run up there. Come on, Colby.
Follow it, Colby. Win that. Don't let it go past you, Nate. Outside, Nate. Outside, Nate. Kick it. Good.
Go, Colby. Come on, Colby. You got that. You got that. You got that. Oh, again. Oh,
Good job. Follow it. Stay with it. Amari, get in front of the goal now. Time. Time, Nate. Time. Get out wide, Amari. Amari, get wide. Trap it.
trap it. Come on, Amari. Fight for it. Fight for it.
No!
One of you. One on the middle, Colby. Ooh.
Come on, Amari. Go upfield. Go upfield. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Fast.
Okay, guys, we need to hold our positions a little bit better, okay?
Let's go, baby!
Nice, Colby.
Nate, towards the goal. Oh, what was that? Spencer.
Come on, run, run, run.
Good. Back and goal. Nate, you got to help now.
Nice.
How much Spencer doing?
Come on, Colby.
Time, Colby.
Go, go, Colby. Go, 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 go. Nice.
Okay, guys, ready? Sub. Come on, Jake.
Let's
Good.
go, Spencer. Jay, get by the goal.
Good, now pass it. Okay. Now move
Get away, guys. Get away. Spread out.
Slide up, Ichiro. Good.
Come on, go, 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 go. Spread out, spread out.
Spencer, slide to the middle now. Spencer, get in front of the goal. No, no, no. Spencer, in front of the goal. That middle. There you go. Look where Jay's going to pass it to Spencer. To Spencer, Jay.
Sit up. Even if you sat up,
Spread out. Good start now. Get in there. Get in there. Good.
Come on, Spencer.
Good shot.
Nice try.
yeah, friends, I think.
Come on, fight for that ball, guys. Get the ball, get the ball.
Throw that ball now. Spencer, get that ball. Get that ball, Spencer. Don't, Spencer.
Spencer, go after the ball. Run. Come on, guys, run.
Fun running. Let's go. Let's go, Jay. Run. Get that. That's you. That's you. One of you.
Get that, Spencer. Fight for it. Come on, get the ball, get the ball.
Spencer. There you go. Good, Jay. Come on, Jay. Don't quit. Watch that far shot. There you go. That's the one. That's a great try. Guys. Move around, Jay. Win this, Jay. Whoops. Come on.
Go, 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 go.
Have fun, Spencer. Go get it, Spencer. Go get that. Go get that. Attaboy.
There you go. Jace, go in the middle, go in the middle.
Jay, get in front of the goal.
Oh.
Jay, if you were right in the middle there, that was your shot.
Nice, Jay.
Go on, shoot.
Shoot it.
There you go. Good job, Spencer.
Turn around, Ishiro.
Ichiro's got the ball. Don't run to Ichiro. Give him something to pass to, all right? Spencer, heads up, bud. Okay, stay with him. Spencer, stay with your man.
Come on, get that. Nice, Jay. Go, Jay.
Spencer, come on. Push up, buddy. Good try.
Come on, Ishiro.
Help back. Spencer, get number 18. That's your man, Spencer. Get him. Yes, Spencer. Good.
Nice.
Save it, Spencer. Lots of time.
Oh.
Go, Jay. Oh,
Go, Jay. Go, 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 go.
There you go. Come on, Jay. Fire your shot. Come on, Jay.
Spencer, where are you?
Come on, Jay. Hey, guys. Hustle. Hustle, 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 hustle.
That's that guy in the red.
Are we ready to switch after the next sub, you think?
It's been about 6 minutes.
Oh, that's a shot.
Oh.
Good hustle. Good hustle, Jay. Jay. Hey. What's the matter? Did you have fun?
Go Nate! Shoot it!
Nice.
Oh, go follow it!
Go passes.
Last time, that's cool.
No. Yes, they are. No, you just kicked through his leg. You're No, I'm not. Yes, I did.
There it is.
Liar.
Nice! Nice! Good job, guys!
Corners, guys. Win that, Nate. Come on. Come on, Nate.
Go Nate! Pass it!
Shoot, Nate. There you go. Shoot it.
Go!
Oh.
Oh! Oh.
Come here, buddy.
Nate, get to the other side. You're right. There you go. Once we get the ball, move to the right, you have space.
Come on, Amari! Fight for it!
Oh, not in the middle, not in the middle!
You said I was falling over.
Get a little bit more passing, though, guys.
Were you falling over into his space? Is that
Wait, no.
Oh,
Mari, get
she's
back.
talking about playing?
Come on, Colby. Now it's your side. Nate, stay on your side.
And you did it to me.
Nate,
You're
right
like
next
doing
to it.
this.
No good.
You did
Shoot.
it to me. Only one.
Shoot it! Shoot it again! Nice! Come on, Amari!
Stay up, Dylan. Stay up, Dylan. Pass. Nice pass.
Nice! Come on! Let's go, Colby!
Come on, Nate. Take a touch and shoot. Come on, stay with it, Mason. Stay with it.
Oh, keep going! Let's try. Come on, Colby! Oh, Mari.
Hey, it's our ball. Let's get way away.
Oh, get back, Amari. Get the ball, get the ball.
Good play, guys. Drop it.
Nice.
Get a little more passing in, guys. Come on. It's all right.
Come on, Amari.
Follow that.
It's a good boot. Jonah's got it. All right, take your time. He's got it. Big boot, bud.
Kick it hard.
Good.
Come on, Amari.
Jonah's got it.
Jonah. Kick it hard, Jonah. Oh,
Get Jonah.
Can't pick it up.
Get Colby. Run that Colby.
go, go, Colby.
Put a pass now.
Seen it. Where's it going, man?
All right. Good idea. Hey, trap it. One of you. Come on.
Run after it, guys.
Everybody's good with it.
Come on. Let's go, Nate. Oh.
You said you weren't having a good time a minute ago, so I didn't think you wanted to play.
I do, but I
Come on, follow that.
don't really want to play because
Nice.
I'm not passing to me.
Why don't you do that, and then we'll give our positions, okay?
Nice. Oh.
Why don't you go over there?
Get up. Get the ball.
Nate, Nate,
Oh, you probably.
Nate, listen. Get away. Now pass it. Good. Quickly.
Mari,
Quickly,
fast.
Mari.
It's yellow.
I want to see. Nate, Nate, I want you to get over to that side. There you go. Nate, that's your side. Sub. Go, run, Jay, run, Jay. Run.
Again. Kick it again.
Jay. Save it. Get over there. So what you to do is you'll reach out the ball. I want you to do this now.
Throw it hard. Throw it high.
Right out a little bit. Oh.
Mason Jackson and then that was more difficult.
Go to the middle, Mason.
Kick it out, kick it out. Don't. Oh.
Mason, mark a man. Let's go. Here you go. Stay right on him. Don't look away.
Good.
I kind of figured out if I touch
That's you,
on
Jay.
That's you, Jay. You got it.
Shoot. Just try, Jay.
he's kind of like a little like.
Stop. Now move
Turn around, turn around.
There you go.
Mason, you guys spread out. Right to the middle.
Go, Jay.
Go, Jay.
Go, Jay.
Go, run after it.
You gotta win that, Jay. Don't you stop, Jay. Don't you stop on me, Jay. Come on. Jay. Stop. Don't stop. You wanna...
Kick it up, kick it up. There you go, Mark. Ichiro, go, 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 go.
Why is that Tony playing keep going?
Come on, Spencer.
I scored a goal.
Nice, Spencer.
Go, Spencer. You're good. You're good.
Go, 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 go.
Turn around, though. Turn around, Spencer. Spread out, guys. Spread out. Jay, move away.
Nice. Go, Jay. Go, 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 go. Go, Jay. Make a move, make a move.
In the middle.
Spencer, get that.
Spencer.
Stay with it. Stay with it.
Jay, move away, move away. Move up. Ichiro, pass it to Jay.
Jay, pass it, Ichiro. He's open.
He's open. He's open in the middle. Come on, Jay.
It's you, Jay. Come on, buddy.
Ichiro, get in front of the goal.
Good job, Jay. See what happens.
Stay with it.
Come on, Spencer.
Third group, right?
I think so. Go, Jay. Go, 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 go.
Towards the middle, Jay. Get towards the middle. See, listen, guys. When you guys are dribbling down the sideline, you should be down there.
Pass it.
The sideline here. Try to cut. Guys, try to cut towards the middle because you can't really shoot from the outside. You want to start dribbling towards the middle. Okay?
Come on, Jay. Oh.
Good job, Jay. Once somebody defense. Okay, once you play defense, man. You're gonna play defense, but you know what? I need you to be really strong, guys.
Come on, Jay.
Really strong.
Let's go, Ichiro. Shoot that.
What's that?
He was holding his hand. Very short.
He was holding his hand.
Yeah, he was holding his hand like this. I'm not sure. I asked
I
him
think
if
he's
he was
alright.
okay.
He's okay.
He said he was fine.
Thanks for letting me.
Come on, Spencer. Let's go, Ichiro.
Jay, stay there, Jay. Stay there, Jay. Quickly.
Nice. Go. Kick it.
Go, Jay. Towards the middle, Jay. Towards the middle. You got 3 on you. Come on, Jay. Towards the middle. Towards. Okay, you guys ready to go in? Good job. Good job, Jay.
Kick it out. Kick it out. Kick it out.
Okay. Behind you, Nate. Come on, Colby. Come on, Colby. What? Towards the goal, Amari. Amari, get in front of the goalie. Get Amari. Good try. Follow it. Hey, Colby, what are you doing? Were you following that one? Run, Nate. Shoot it.
Shoot it again.
Hey, you didn't run again. Win the ball. Win that ball, Colby.
You got it, Colby. Shoot it. Nice.
No, sir. If it is, we need a
Get up there, Amari. Come on.
Oh.
Nate, go ahead and get back your defense. You're okay.
Left the forward. Left forward. Left the forward.
Don't let that bounce over you, Nate. There you go. Good.
Oh, get it again, get it again. Come on, Amari. Nice. Good job.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
For that. Fight for that.
Go, Amari.
Go, Amari. You guys gonna mark us? Go, Sergeant.
I don't think I've been left before. Can I be right?
I don't know. You probably,
What?
you might be
Follow it.
defense.
Follow it.
No.
Come on, Amari.
Then I never get a score.
Come on, Amari.
Amari, get that.
Then I won't even get a score. Do I get a score from defense?
You can shoot and score out.
Yay!
But you've got to play defense. Spread out. For some reason.
Oh.
One.
I always have to
Go, Colby.
Shoot!
Amari, get in front of the goal.
Go, go, go!
Time, Colby. Good try. Come on,
Amari, come on. Fight for it. Get the ball. Come on, Amari.
shoot it. Get in front of the goal, Amari. You're going to play defense, okay?
Come on, Amari. Fight for it. Fight for that. Fight for that, Amari.
It's alive, Nate.
1 more minute.
Come on, Amari. Get that.
Oh! Pow.
Okay, now get back, Nate. You gotta get back. There you go. Be ready, Amari. There you go.
Amari, get back.
That's a minute.
Go forward.
Good pass. Save it, Amari. Just save it and look up. There you go. Now look. What are you gonna do? There you go.
Nice.
Come on, Colby.
Sub.
Sub.
I knew.
Is it short?
Yeah.
Is it too short?
Yeah, well, it's like 2 minutes.
No good hustle. I think it was more than 2 minutes. Come on.
Come on.
Jay, your defense. Get back. Get back, Jay. Jay, get back your defense. Hustle, Jay. Run.
Go, Jerome. Follow that. Come on.
Wait, they might only have 5. They either have 5 or 9. Yeah, 5 or 9.
Get on him, Mason. Pressure.
Not in the middle, Jay. Keep it down the side there.
Oh.